Misfire!
We're gonna go to battle.
I haven't got one of these.
Really? Can't go. I've been just doing rock, and I gave one a lot.
Well, no, but when I mean by red, I always go rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Wait, is this oh, this is friendlies. I'm just like, this has got to be friendlies.
This is not friendlies, dude.
Oh, what?
Oh boy.
Nope, that was.
I'm a man.
Well, according to this, it says that
It's recording.
it says that Grillgore is DCG. According to this.
Gotcha! Misfire! Another misfire! Oh, but it didn't go out. What the heck? Oh!
Mike is.
Good job, Mike.
Thank you. I tried.
Wait. What the heck was that?
That will make you proud. I earned that kill. I honestly thought Pichu had the same moveset as Pikachu.
Doesn't it?
It's like the same, but it's like different, like lengths and boxes.
I got one pixel outside.
Screw you and your short kids!
Yeah, screw him, dude.
What?
I've been doing better than Pichu and Peach today.
Screw you and your short you kids, Jacob! That's twice in a row that you got me with your short you kids.
I want like a any possible potential for you right now. I think play Marth. Right now, I think I can beat Marth. Okay? I want you to not that. I want you to regret ever having those thoughts. Okay. I want. Well, maybe I will quit to like bad and not do. I'm gonna style. I'm gonna style. I want like psychological. I'll give you. It's like, yeah, good.
Still alive!
Look, Mike evolved into a Pikachu. Hi. It looks like you got enough happiness. I'm gonna commentate just because of that.
Alright folks, so last match Mike was a Pichu and it looks like he's evolved. He's now a Pikachu, alright? He evolved just for this fight, so you know it's gonna be hype. He's also got Ash's hat, you know? Pretty wild. Alright, he just died, but you know what? Oh, no. He's coming back. He's psyching us out. He's got big plans for his future. Wow. Alright, so it's the electric mouse versus the man with the sword. Good throw.
That was insane.
Ooh, he's going for the Gimps. Beautiful kill by Mike.
Yanko, the reason why I wanted to go Pichu, I've been failing his speech today.
Yeah. Pichu's legit.
Facing you, Brogan. You, I'm facing you.
Oh. I'm gonna get that.
What the heck? Goodbye. Ah!
Oh.
Ah!
Shut up. No, I mean, I'm going with the Pokemon say anything.
Yeah, I know. I see.
I was a musical tutor, I know how instruments work. I can't like Peach today.
Alright, you got a promise now.
I promise you I probably won't.
We'll see about that. I suck pretty bad.
What? What the what?
What? Next?
All done, bitch.
You click,
Wait, need a wall. You fell from my left card.
Are you doing going again?
Sorry, I'm still there.
Hey, are you doing Brogan? No.
Commentators.
No, I'm not.
Alright.
Hey, bud. If you want to lose, you should have done that. Yeah.
Where is it?
You see my dad.
Like, I need to use like my
Oh my god.
Hold on. I need Jan.
Maybe you should have just printed it out.
Yeah, get Jan when it's
Do you just have your deck entire change combo?
No.
One
Wreaper
trade.
is